Hey there. Got yourself a brand new Nectar mattress and eager to dive into its cloud-like comfort? Wondering how to inflate a Nectar mattress the right way? In this guide, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to ensure your mattress reaches its full potential for a perfect night's sleep. Let's get started on this journey from unboxing to sweet dreams. Step 1. Unbox your Nectar mattress. First, find a suitable space to unbox your Nectar mattress. It's important to have enough room as the mattress will expand significantly. Carefully open the box without using sharp objects to avoid puncturing the mattress. Slide the mattress out and position it on your bed frame or foundation. Avoid placing it directly on the floor as a proper foundation helps with airflow and support. Step 2. Carefully unroll the mattress. With your mattress positioned, begin unrolling it. You'll notice that it's wrapped in plastic. Take your time removing this packaging to prevent damage. As you unroll the mattress, be sure it's centered and aligned on the frame. This will make it easier when it starts expanding. Step 3. Let it breathe and inflate. Once unwrapped, the mattress will begin to expand, a process that can take several hours to a full day. Allow the mattress to breathe by letting it sit untouched. This time is crucial as it helps the mattress reach its intended shape and comfort level. While some mattresses can be slept on immediately, giving the Nectar mattress up to 24 to 72 hours will ensure it's fully expanded and provides optimal comfort. Step 4. Check for full inflation. After 24 to 72 hours, check your mattress to ensure it's fully inflated. The edges and corners should be well formed and the surface should be flat and smooth. If any areas still seem compressed, gently pat them to encourage inflation, but remember, patience is key. Step 5. Final touches. Now that the mattress is fully inflated, make those finishing touches. Dress your bed with fresh linens and finally indulge in the plush comfort of your Nectar mattress. If you notice any minor odors from the packaging, rest assured they'll dissipate with time and proper ventilation. And there you have it. You've learned how to inflate a Nectar mattress with ease. By following these steps, you'll ensure your mattress is fully expanded and ready to deliver a blissful night's sleep. Remember, the wait is worth the reward as a fully inflated Nectar mattress provides unmatched support and comfort. Enjoy your journey to dreamland.